Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today we got a Porsche Cayman that I'm doing the actual coolant reservoir, which is this one here. We have taken the old coolant reservoir because it's leaking from there. See here? See the seam there? They crack and then they start to split, and then that's what happened. They don't leak when it's cold, but they leak when it's hot. All around, see? So this is the old one, that's a brand new one now. It's a brand new one. I'll show you it's going to clean that up a bit more because we're doing the actual bottle. So we'll probably do the vapor separator now before the bottle. So this is the vapor separator here. We're going to do that, and we're going to remove the spark plugs out so we can actually clean the intake here and crank it and remove the fuse for the fuel pump, and then crank the engine so we can get all the stuff out before we put the spark plug in, so you don't create a compression lock and damage the engine. So very important to remove the spark plugs before you clean the intake, because so you can crank it first to get the stuff out before you actually start the car. Alright. Very tight to get it out, but we got it out. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.